Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be showcasing the Allure May Box, which I recently purchased and received. So go ahead and grab your favorite beverage and let's see what's inside. Cheers! Now, I don't know about you, but we are having some rebound summer weather here. So to pair with this May summer box, I actually have here a refreshing limoncello that I made, and it's really good and goes well with the box. So okay, yes, this is the May box. Yes, it's September, but one of the great things about these Allure Beauty boxes is once you start getting the boxes, you have access to the store, the member store. And in the member store, you can actually purchase past boxes as well as get some boxes that the Allure team has curated. So I was excited to get this because I didn't start subscribing to the Allure Beauty boxes till after the May box came out. But when I saw what was inside, I said, okay, I have to get this. Now these boxes are offered monthly. You can skip as a member, which is nice if you just don't need new stuff or you just don't like what's in the box. And so there's a lot of flexibility here, and there's different pricing plans, but this past box is offered for $20 in the member store. It's supposed to have over $160 worth of value. Generally, these boxes contain between 5 to 7 items, a few of which are full size, and it's just a really great way to get some new products, get some new stash. Also, they always come with a guide telling you everything that's inside and a little bit about it. So that's nice. Yeah. So this is what May's box looks like. Good value for $20. What I love about these kind of boxes is a way for me to try out new things, as well as if I see something that I'm running out of or that I just really love, I can kind of re-up my stash. So in that case, there's a few of those. This is the Ulta MD UV Daily Tinted Face Sunscreen. This is one of my go-tos for an everyday tinted sunscreen since I don't generally wear a lot of foundation. It's a mineral-based sunscreen, so it's really going to be acting as an umbrella for your skin. It is SPF 40, and it blends in really nicely. So you can kind of see one color for all or for most skin tones, and it just gives a really nice kind of glow. It does give a little bit of a luminous finish, and it's just really hydrating. So I really like that. Love all the active ingredients in it. So I couldn't pass up the chance to re-up my stash of that. Another favorite of mine is this Chris Appleton Color Wow Money. This is a hair mask, and it is made from algae, but it's really a very interesting texture. It's kind of blue-green, and it kind of pulls you back in. I have a tub of this, and I just think the texture is pretty interesting. But more than that, I love the way my hair feels after it. And I can show you the texture. See? It's like this jelly kind of color. And has this really nice clean smell. I don't know, but the most important is the way it makes my hair feel. And one of the great things about a tube like this is it is travel size. So if you're going to be on a pool vacation or a beach vacation, it's really nice to take because I want to make sure I'm hydrating my hair and not giving myself those kind of dried out kind of lifeless locks that can happen if you get too much sun, pool, or beach, or combination of it. So that's great. Moving along, what else is in this fun box? Okay, this is interesting. Mud Masky Midnight Hand Mask, pH balanced, nourishing, firming, hydrating, revitalizing, anti-aging. So this is a hand mask that you go to sleep with. I like that. Okay. Let's see what it smells and looks like. So I love hand masks because you can you know, a lot of people forget to take care of their hands in terms of anti-aging and moisturizing, and that's a place that can either really show your age or just, you know, is in the sun a lot and everything. So this is, let's try on this hand. Okay. I mean, it just smells like normal hand cream. Doesn't have a big smell. You can see it's just white. And I think I'm gonna like this because I just like that it can add it to my nighttime routine, add it to my hands, and then just kind of wake up with softer, more youthful looking hands. So, Mud Masky. Wilhelm Perfumery from New York. Poets of Berlin. So it's a perfume. This does look like a sample, but I've been fooled before. Let's see what it smells like. It's just a little. Let's see. It's floral, but a little fruity. I think it needs to grow on me. It's not something I would normally wear, but it doesn't smell bad. It's just a different smell. It smells very kind of exotic. In like, I feel like I'm going to Europe or something. Well, if I don't like it, one of the other great things is I don't feel like I'm missing out because I can always give it away. So either way, nice perfume sample. Then we have, what's this? Tulip Tint Lip and Cheek Balm in Crispa Coral. Sounds very much like my type of color. So this is a tube tint. It's again great for travel. I want to see what the color looks like. Everything here is sealed, which is nice, but then also makes me feel bad that I'm opening it, but I do want to see what it looks like. So it is kind of a pinky coral, which is what I would expect with that name. It does look quite vibrant. Let's see. I want to leak it everywhere. I like that you can use it on your lips or your cheeks. Man, I can't speak today. That's pretty. It's very sheer, so you can see it kind of. So just a nice sheer wash of color. That's pretty. I like that. And it's hard to tell if it has a smell because I have so much going on my hands right now, but that's usually the case. Okay. New lip and cheek tint. Love these multi-use products. Great for travel. Ooh. We got an Elemis product. Peptide Eye Recovery Cream. I love Elemis products. I have a whole stash of them. Pretty sure I have this at least in a deluxe sample form, but it's nice, you know. These eye creams are great. The peptides are really great for anti-aging, for hydrating, just that kind of top. Nothing fancy, but just an all-around great eye cream. So I will accept. And last but not least, an exfoliating shower gel from Natura Ecos Tacum. Okay. This is a exfoliating shower gel. You can see the little particles in there. I like that a bunch of these are nice and travel size, so I can kind of throw them in my bag because who doesn't want an exfoliating shower gel? I mean, I know when you go to hotels, they always have shower products, but not generally exfoliating, so it's nice to have that. Yes, I am opening it again. Gonna regret this, but I'm opening all my products. That kind of smells nutty. I don't know if I'm just imagining that. Yeah, it kind of smells like almondy, and it has like these little, I don't know, you can see little beads exfoliate, but it's very gently exfoliating. So once again, nice travel staple. Didn't disappoint. For $20, this was definitely worth it. And honestly, just the fact that I get to kind of poke around in the store and see what else I might want, or what other boxes is just a really great opportunity. So thank you so much for watching. Please let me know in the comments down below if you currently subscribe to the Allure Beauty Boxes, what some of your favorite products or months are, or if you're looking to subscribe, if you have any questions. And don't forget to like and subscribe and check out my next video. Hope you have an amazing day. Thank you. Bye.